It was the way you was touching the noodle, bro.
What do you mean?
I think when the viewers see it, and you doing this, bro.
What are you doing? Hold on.
That's what you were doing, bro.
I'm sorry for the long pause. We weren't supposed to have the video actually be this long from a pause. We're back at the shop, different day. We didn't plan on it, but you know, things happen. Anyways, welcome back to the channel.
Big Reek right here. What's up, y'all? It's been a while. How y'all doing?
We're back with the Supra, and like we said before, we are actually going to do the look over for the car and make sure everything's ready for us to go to the body shop this time and actually get this thing the way it should be. It's been sitting for a long time, and it's time for a change.
Let the changes begin. So yeah, I mean, definitely getting everything straightened up, tightened up. For the most part, what you guys seen, you know, us looking it over. We know the rear suspension is all together. We need to take a look at the front suspension, make sure everything's tight underneath.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, some things. We need to do some things.
Oh yeah?
You know?
Some things.
We need to do some things. So we got the battery charger on right now, getting a battery charge, so maybe we can take a little
maybe a little cruise today? It's getting warmer outside, dude.
This is the reason why we had a little delay, because, you know, when you got, you know, almost 8 inches of snow on the ground, it's kind of hard to do anything, I'm just saying.
So, we got the battery charger on here. You know, it's a little loud, you can hear it. It's right there. You see we're sitting at 64 right now for, you know, old battery that's been on here for what, how long?
It's only been on there for about, what, 15 minutes now?
No, I mean the stock battery that's been on there for a really long time, right?
Oh, no, I replaced that battery.
Oh, okay, that would have been good news, you know?
You know, 5 months ago. I mean, the old ones are kind of sitting right there on the shelf, I'm just saying.
Wait. That's not bad. Oh, yeah, it is.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, whoa.
See how much Tyler's paying attention, folks.
Yeah, actually, okay. So I have a story. It's kind of embarrassing, but it's actually really funny. And it's actually not it is my fault, but it's not. It's based on stupid design of a car. Here's what happened. Today, you know, I was at work working, just like normal. And so, you know that Buick we have? It's that blue one, that whatever. It's a Cascade. It's not a Cascade. It starts with a C, but it's an ugly Buick. Sorry. I think you know where this is going right now. But I took the car through the car wash, you know, everything was fine. I put it in a park. I rested my hand on the center console, and where you would think would be cup holders just by themselves, it was the retractable roof button for the convertible. So what happens is I pressed it down. It's a weird design. I'll put the picture on the screen for you right now so you can see how it looks, and look how that looks. You could put your hand down, accidentally move it, or your wrist, and dude, it folds it down. So what happened is I pressed it, all the windows start coming down. You know those spiral blades, or those spiral cloth blades, or whatever you call them? They start flinging water at me, so I'm getting pelted with water. Then the little noodles, you know the little noodles that hang down? I got hit in the face by a noodle. I got hit in the face by a freaking noodle. I was getting soaking wet and pelted. That's why my hair's kind of crusty a little bit. It kind of dried like that. I took a heat gun. You know that new heat gun you got me? Yeah. I took the heat gun and dried my hair with it. So it kind of made it a little crusty, you know? It's all right.
That's unique, bro.
It is unique. The windows wouldn't come up, so I was sitting there for like half a minute getting pelted with water and everything, and there's nothing I could do. They wouldn't come up. I was pressing and everything. That's my story. And then I went out of the car wash. I rolled the windows up finally, and I just acted like nothing happened. That's kind of what I did. So yeah, but I guess you can say my my cherry was popped for having a free car wash. Oh no. I essentially get a free shower. You know how that is? Next time, if I do that, I'll just bring my own soap. Because it hit me right here. The noodle thing hit me right here. Like twice. Like right here. It went no. And then back again.
No, I haven't.
Sliding away.
No. I can't say I've done that one.
Really?
To be truthful.
I guess that's a first for me.
I mean, you know, hey.
There's nothing wrong with having a first for everything, right?
Right, of course not. Of course not.
But that's my stupidity. This video is all about surprises. So hey, be careful with him.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Dang.
My bad, bro. My bad.
Oh, yeah. You mean the piping for it? Aluminum piping? I don't want to do aluminum piping. That's kind of a pain, you know? But anyways, we have a new addition. You guys are probably wondering, where is he? Why isn't he here? Why isn't he talking to us? Well, in his own way, he is talking to us. Just so you know, just so everybody knows, his voice box is kind of broken. You want to know how?
How did you break his voice box, bro?
I didn't break it. So,
sure you did.
I mean, look.
It's Pedro.
It's Pedro the monkey, dude. He looks so like... Okay, so we're actually going to take Pedro
And for right now, we're gonna sit him right here. Obviously, when we run the car and when we drive it, he's not gonna be here.
Yes.
You dropped it in there. Oh, you're dropping. Okay, so now who's the one dropping everything? I see how it is. You try to heat me for it.
All right, you two.
Oh, come over here. Okay.
All right, WhipGetters Nation, family,
whatever,
WhipGetters Society, whatever you want to call it. I'm working. Is he working to drop anything?
Hey, I'm trying.
Oh!
Hey, Pedro, don't listen to him.
I think he crushed Pedro's voice box.
No, I'm not that mean to animals, dude.
So funny, bro.
But Pedro just chills. Look, he's our good luck charm. Who was that? What?
It was my monkey impression, bro.
He probably was supposed to sound like that, but what were you scaring me, dude? Are you okay?
It's a full moon outside.
Is it actually a full moon?
It looks like it.
You're lying, dude.
It looks like it. It looks like it. Close enough for me.
Watch it be the sun. It's a full moon.
Right.
Rico's head.
And I'm outside.
Where's Rico?
You know,
he's behind the dumpster in the corner. Just, That's funny, bro. Somebody clip that. Make it a real animation.
Pull a Rampage Jackson, some of that UFC.
Whoa. You can't be blowing clouds in here, bro.
Blowing clouds?
Yeah, but you didn't make any noise. You just did.
Right. No. You said blowing clouds. That's me howling at the moon, bro.
Oh, yeah? Oh, there you go. There you go. Hey, you didn't make a noise. We've got everything in order. We touched up a little lines there. We made sure the fuel pressure regulator on there was good. We actually do need to replace one of the hoses because it's that one right there. Oh, geez. It's that one right. It's that one right there. We need to get a new one for that.
What's that?
Don't we need to get a new line for one of the fuel pressure regulator?
It's actually, we need to replace this main line here. It's got a little.
That's what I pointed at.
It's got a little split right at the end down there, so we actually, it's not safe, of course. I mean, we want to make this right, so
Of course.
we're gonna replace that. Probably not in this video, but getting everything else tight and make sure all the clinking and clunking is good done. And
Well, I will say this: the only thing that's gonna clink and clunk is that thing right there.
I was just trying to see if I could get it to quit making some noise,
Yeah. Pedro, you doing okay in there? Pedro's doing clean, bro. He's clean. And make sure when we take this out, you don't sit on Pedro. I almost did today.
I'm gonna fart on Pedro.
What? Hey, what? Dude, that's. Dude!
Do a flip!
Do a flip! Rico, do a flip! Do a flip! Break your neck.
I want to cut that off and fire her up.
Let them horses sing.
And let them horses sing, you little pretty thing.
I like how they put a noodle behind this. Look at this noodle.
Whoa, look at the way you're touching the noodle.
What do you? Why'd you say that?
I'm just calling the way I see it, bro.
Okay, so if you had a pet snake, would you pet the snake? If it was a pet snake?
Nope.
Why wouldn't you? Why do you think like that all the time?
I don't think like that all the time.
Yeah, you just did. I was touching the noodle and you thought I was you.
It was the way you was touching the noodle, bro.
What do you mean?
I think when the viewers see it, and you doing this, bro.
What are you doing? Hold on.
That's what you were doing, bro.
That's suspect.
That's what you were doing, bro.
That's suspect.
Oh, it's suspect when I do it.
Yeah. Now you know how it feels. Oh.
Is it because I'm black?
Dude, you always do that. That's not even how it is.
But this is the way you was touching the noodle.
Rico, put some music in here and make it.
Oh.
What? Dude, stop. Some stuff. He doesn't shower, bro. Did you see the stuff fly off? It doesn't shower. You know what you call that? I'm not saying it. Never mind. Nope. Hey, give me Pedro. Don't step on him. No, Rico, please. No, not Pedro. Rico, no. No, not Pedro. We'll break his neck, why don't you? Rico, stop! It's Pedro. Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Rico, stop! I'm getting too turned. Hold on. Okay, stop.
Oh,
please.
sorry.
Come on.
I had a moment, guys.
Yeah. Pedro didn't like that.
Yeah, he's turning up too. You hear him?
I've never run this fast in my life. Oh, my leg. Oh.
I haven't run that long. I haven't run that in a long time.
hold on. Rico, no. You had that crazy look in your eye. Oh! Jesus. Bro, you have to remember there's no seat in here. Oh, I hit my back on something. Oh my God. I just hit the camera, bro. Dude. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna have to hold on for dear life right here. Bro, you're drying my hair. Make it less dry. So we sat here for a little bit trying to diagnose why it had such a high idle. So most likely it's a vacuum leak. And lo and behold, we found one.
It's the EGR tube.
Okay.
It's an exhaust tube. So it's a rubber hose that comes up into the check valve for the EGR. And so since it has a crack in it now, this is why we have the high idle. That we need to just go through all these little vacuum lines and replace every single one or delete what we can, because there's a lot of stuff you could be deleted. Well, when stuff sits so old, it gets brittle. And that's like one of the first signs of it.
Took it out.
Because that's like the fuel line that I showed you guys I would like to replace. It looks the same way. It started at the beginning, it starts to split, and then it goes down. So that looks exactly the same how the fuel line. So guess what? We're gonna spend $1,500 on all new vacuum lines, new fuel lines, and we're gonna make it that much more better.
You guys will be here with us when we do all of that.
Oh, and one other thing, we need to adjust the e-brake.
But anyways, running out of time for today. We actually had a pretty fun day for a part 2. As you can tell, this was a part 2, a long awaited part 2. It's just a couple days.
And guess what, guys? There's no more suspension noise up front. It rode smooth. I mean, it actually gripped so much better. My God. At first when I turned, I was expecting it to kick out.
But it didn't.
It didn't.
It was stiff. Like, we didn't even tell him, like, Rico's trying, but he's not going anywhere.
Well, I didn't want a clutch kick either.
I know.
I was trying not to raise, you know, I wasn't trying to get in the boost in first gear, you know. Because I wanted to see what was wrong with it before I, you know.
Toss the...
Hold on, what's that?
But anyways, we're going to end the video today. Like I said, we're going to get a lot of stuff done next week. We have a lot of stuff coming up for you guys.
Peace up.
You hear that car?
Wait, whoa.
We out.